My video will help you to remove the ransomware called SquadLocker. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files easily without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this SquadLocker ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon it actually encrypts files and damages the files. The ransomware appends this SquadLocker extension to the file names. It is impossible to open the files. Also, the ransomware reveals this ransom note where it tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with combo Cleaner Antivirus. Consider opening any of your available browsers. I'm not sure if we can use Internet Explorer, but all other browsers cannot be opened. Anyway, we could actually download Internet Explorer, which is good. So through your Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application through Internet Explorer browser and through the combocleaner.com site. Install the program and start researching the computer with combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and to eliminate this SquadLocker ransomware and also to protect your data ahead of time. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.